How to add or remove card on Timu. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you are comfortable in your laptop or in your desktop. Then simply on the search URL type in temu.com and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Here you can also follow the same steps in Timu applications as well. Now once you're logged in and you land on this interface, now navigate to your profile icon from the top of this interface in the menu bar. From this drop down menu, click on your profile. Now once you land on your profile page, again if you navigate to the left hand side of this interface, there you will find an option as your payment methods. So click on that. Now here you can add your credit or your debit card. So simply click on this button that says add a credit or debit card. After that, a form will pop up in your screen. There you have to enter your card details. So first of all, enter your card number. Make sure you type in your correct card number. And under that, enter your expiration date of your card with month and a year. And on the next side, you have to enter your CVV. That is 3 or 4 digits code in your card. And under that, again provide your billing address, and once you're done with that, simply click on add your card. Now after your confirmation, again tap on confirm, and then your card will be added to Timu. Now if you change your mind to remove that card again, then what you can do is, again from your profile icon, go to your profile. Then once you land on your profile, again follow the same steps by clicking on your payment methods, and once you're on this payment method page, there you will find your card. Now to remove that card, simply click on that card, and after you click on that card, there you will get two options, either to edit your card information or to delete or remove your card. So what you have to do is simply click on delete card. After that, it's gonna ask for your confirmation. Once you confirm and tap on delete or remove, then your card will get deleted or removed from your Timu account. So that's how you can add or remove card in Timu. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.